niggas understand me. I got broads in Atlanta, twisted the D in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, hitting the looks in the van. Legacy, family, why is it look like a plan?
Hey guys, what's going on? I'm gonna make a video today to show you guys how to record your screen. So if you want to record your screen, all you have to do is go to Safari, type in Airshell. For me it already says it right there, but just type in Airshell. Go. Go to Airshell and -i emulators. Wait for it to load. Go all the way down. Press on the picture. Press install. It's gonna tell you to install Airshell again. I already have it. But once you install Airshell, it's gonna ask you for this app right here. So what you want to do is go to well, first up, if you want, you could just go to Tutu. I'm gonna get out of here. Just go to Tutu. Tutu free. Hold on. Tutu helper free. And okay, go to here. It's gonna tell you to download and install free or download app. You're gonna press download app, and it's gonna download for you guys. And if you don't download the app, it kicks you out. So it's very important to download it. So there you go, guys. That's how you record your screen if you want to become a YouTuber. If you did enjoy this video and thought it was helpful, please comment down below and say this was very helpful. Now, if it didn't work for you, you must have done something wrong. So just watch the video again and make sure you didn't follow the steps. So without further ado, I just want to say goodbye and hope you thought this video was helpful. And also, subscribe to my channel and leave a like. Goodbye.